Well, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch now in effect for all of the Arklatex, although it appears as if the severe weather risk is wrapping up for the northern half of the area. The severe thunderstorm watch that was issued for that part of the Arklatex was due to these thunderstorms, which were moving just south of the Red River. You can see the storms actually beginning to move more towards the north and east. This is the cell right here that at one point was dropping some very large hail as it moved into Red River County. It is now almost totally gone and moving towards the north and east. So we got good news in this part of the Arklatex that, again, a few thunderstorms possible, but the risk of any additional severe weather is looking a bit lower. Further to the south, you can see the scattered showers and thunder showers that tried to get going south of Shreveport have slowly begun to weaken, but that is not it. You can see more thunderstorms off to the south and west of the Arklatex. As I switch this over to the national radar view here, you can see the expanse of these thunderstorms, which again right now south of Dallas. These are moving for the most part towards the south and east. You can see new storms trying to get going further to the southeast. All of this is going to move across the southern sections of the Arklatex here during the evening hours this evening. So let's give you a look at the potential path that these could take. First of all, with the HRRR model, again, the theory behind this is the stronger storms will drop the heavier rains. So this kind of gives you a good indication as to exactly the path that these stronger storms could take. Let's slide this into the southern sections of the Arklatex, and you can see basically the storms now south of Dallas could very well track over the southern edge of the Arklatex. As far as Futurecast, it has that swath a little bit further to the north, so anywhere near or south of Interstate 20, that's where the main severe weather risk probably will be moving forward. The HRRR model, again, this updates every single hour, so this is the latest in model data, and you can see it does show a few scattered storms, which could pose a severe weather risk here across north central and northwest Louisiana heading into the middle part of the evening. The storms that are now near Dallas will begin to approach the southwestern edge of the area by that time. They will continue to move to the east and should cross Toledo Bend sometime between 10 and 11 p.m. this evening. And notice the intensity of these storms. Those will continue to move towards the east, and we're pretty much done once we get past midnight with most of our severe weather issues. This rain up here across the north in the cooler air, kind of doubt that we'll see any severe weather issues because of that. And then as we go through the day tomorrow, we are going to see the return of some sunshine across the region for the most part, with drier air moving in. As far as potential tornadoes, the risk is extremely low. HRRR does show the potential maybe for some rotation with those storms moving across the southern edge of the Arklatex, so we can't totally rule out an isolated tornado, but the main threat is going to be hail as well as the damaging winds. So you can see Futurecast at 10 p.m. the location of the storms, moves those out, and let's take you into Mother's Day weekend here. You can see the sunshine, which is on the way for tomorrow. We'll see a clear to partly cloudy sky across the area tomorrow night. And then Saturday, we start things off with some sunshine, but clouds will return during the day, and Futurecast and even other high-res models showing a little bit of rain possible as soon as Saturday night. Futurecast shows that across the northern sections of the Arklatex, and it does look like some scattered